Hey guys, it's Glen. Super excited. Here's a review of my brand new launch. This is called Affiliate Marketing on a Shoestring, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. We're going to go to the sales page. We'll check out the sales page. We'll check out the back office and show you what you get, exactly what you're going to get, and I'm going to show you my bonuses and all that cool stuff. All right. So first off, just so you know, make sure you subscribe if you're brand new to my channel. You just find my channel. I have a ton of videos about making money online. I show you a ton of programs. I do a bunch of reviews on different software, and this is a launch I did because people have been struggling like crazy, especially right now. It's 2022. But this is going to work. This is evergreen. This will work 2023, 24, 25, because this is the basics of affiliate marketing. But I've figured out a way that you can basically do it for about $1 a day, like under $1 a day, actually, unless I'm talking US funds, all right? And I show you how you can set up a really simple affiliate marketing system on a shoestring and start gaining momentum and then scale that business. So I'm going to show you everything in there. Okay. But also what I want to give you a couple of really cool products to go with it, because once you start scaling that business, you're going to want to have more products in order to sell to your list that you're building. Okay, and guys, do not get into affiliate marketing without building a list. The money is in the list. The money is in the list. This is what it is. The money is in the list. Okay. So first off, I want to let me show you what it is. So let me share my screen here. There we go. Okay, so this is it. This is called, okay, sick of having no money and not being able to get started. Brand new, never seen affiliate marketing trick. Makes us $97, less than 73 cents a day. Okay, and this will make about $100 a day when you get started just by using basically organic traffic. And then when you want to scale it, you want to start putting some of that money you're making back into it and going into paid traffic. You're going to be able to make a lot more with it. Just an income disclaimer: you may not make anything. You've got to make sure that you're actually doing the work. Okay, there's practically free shortcut to daily profits. Yada yada yada. Big sales page. Please go through it, read it. It's very important that you go through and you read it. So first off, for the bonuses I'm going to give you my cheetah method. This was my very first product that I launched. Well, not my first product. My first product I launched as an affiliate product. I made products before, but this is Cheetah Raw. This is the fastest money system. This is another really easy way to set up. There's again, it's all just how to set up a system. It's very, very simple. You can actually take what's in the Cheetah Raw and then sell it to your list that you're building with affiliate marketing on a shoestring. I'm also going to give you guys my 10K funnel. Like, this is a full-on funnel that you can actually use as your own. So when you've started doing the affiliate marketing on a shoestring, you can actually plug them into this funnel and make a lot more money just using this funnel here. All right, so let's jump into the background here. Now, this is the training. So you're gonna have a welcome video. Make sure that you read this, guys. I'm gonna throw a video in here right away, how to get your affiliate link for this. And as of this bonus, guys, if you go in and you say and you request to once you have it, like, say I've bought it, then I want you to, actually, it'll be in there. There'll be a code you'll have to use, and then I'll bump you to 100% on the front end. All right. So then you go through the setup here. How to join your affiliate programs, how to get your domain, create an email account. If you already have a domain, great. How to create an email account, how to get your email system, get your affiliate link, import your landing page, import your email campaign. Now, guys, this is not selling you a Clickfunnels account. This is doing it for $1 a day. We're going to use your autoresponder to do it. We talk about getting traffic. We're talking about posting on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. And then I go into scaling your business. Paying for traffic is how, once you start having some income in, how you start scaling your traffic. You can get the upgrades here. You can go through and you can see the upgrades there. We've got done for your email systems. We got done for your income setup. We've got the Pro Reseller license. Okay. Business going pro. These are some bonuses here. So going pro, how to do it, going pro, tracking your sales, and going pro on how to become an expert in your field. And then I've got a hidden bonus in here for guys. This is what I talked about at the beginning, the 10K per month super fun. And I'm throwing in an AWeber crash course. So you're going to get all this in here, exactly what you're going to get. So that is the affiliate marketing on a shoestring. So this is the sales page, guys. So this is what you're going to be getting. This is launching on October 14th, 2022. So you want to make sure that you get it at 9 a.m. If you click the link and you're seeing it before that time, then the link won't be live, but then come back here to get my bonuses. And let me jump back on here. There I am. All right. So hopefully, guys, that, there I can see myself. This has been super fun to put this together. Let me tell you, because I wanted to find out the most inexpensive way to do affiliate marketing. And I think I found it, guys, because you could go out there and just get an affiliate link and go post it somewhere, but that's not going to build you a business. You may or may not get a sale. And remember, you need to be building lists, because if you're not building a list, you're not going to survive. You need to be building your list. Basically, an affiliate marketer, your business is an email list, because you're going to go out and find new offers and you're going to send them to your email list. You're going to find new offers and you're going to send them to your email list, right? Or you're going to, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing in keto. So you're going to build all this stuff on keto. You're going to send them to keto offers. More keto offers are going to come out. There's going to be like every month there's new keto stuff launching and stuff. You're going to be able to sell them into those things. Now, people that do keto are also into tons of like health stuff, right? Or maybe they have dogs or whatever it is. You can sell them other products all around basically the keto lifestyle. So it just doesn't have to be selling them one product. And if someone comes to your page, right? Let's say you're not building a list. Someone comes to your page and they go off and they buy that one keto thing. Well, how are you going to sell them something else that's in that niche? You can't, because you don't have an email for them. But if you've sent them to a capture page and you've caught their email and then you send them to the offer, they buy that thing and you're like, yes, I can send them something else. I can send them something else. I can keep sending them stuff. And that's what an affiliate marketing business is. So what I want you to do is click the link below, go get it, work through the course with me. I've got a Facebook page. We got all that set up for you. You're able to come in here and do the work and get started for less than $1 a day. And guys, if you don't have $1 a day to start a business, then you're not ready to start a business. That's reality. You need to have, I did a video on Facebook today. Look at, guys, I can reach into my pocket. I literally have, what do I have here? It's Canadian money, guys. You see? Here it is. So it's I got $4.75. So right now I could run my business for almost 5 days. This is what it's going to cost me to run my business in 5 days. Now I can get all this set up in a day, just drive traffic, and I'm sure my first sale is going to cover more than the $5 easily. All right. Income disclaimer, you may not do anything, you may not make anything, but you got to do the work. But this is how I and almost every other affiliate marketer makes money online. They do this method. So go ahead, click the link below, get started, grab my bonuses. You're going to be able to promote this as well. And I'll show you a way that you can get 100% commissions right on the front end. It won't cost you anything. If you want to basically, I've got an upgrade in there. If you want to make 80% on almost all the products, there's one product that I don't pay 80% on because it's a partnership in it, but you can make a big commission on it anyways. You'll be able to make 80% across the funnel. So that's an upgrade in there. So just so you know. All right, guys, I'm so excited to be bringing this to you. I know it's going to do great. Click the link below, go grab it, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on this inside. Cheers.